Hey guys, Kalila or Callie here, and welcome to day 8 of me working on my halibut sweater by Caitlin Hunter. Here is where I am right now. You can see the progress more here because it doesn't curl up in the back. And so I split for the sleeves and I did 8 centimeters of the body yesterday. The pattern says to do like 20.5 centimeters. And so I'm going to do that and we're going to see how it goes. I kind of want to finish that amount today. It's currently 11:30 a.m. Well, it's 11:29, but 11:30 basically. 11:30 a.m. I have to edit my videos, okay? So I'm going to be editing while I'm knitting, and that's where I'm going to be for now. So I'm going to finish the 10 centimeters that I wanted to knit last night, and then I'm going to remove my stitch marker because I have my stitch marker here tracking how much I've done. So I'm going to do 2 more centimeters, remove the stitch marker, start another 10 centimeters, and we're gonna see if that will be enough. Well, 10.5 because I need 20.5. So we're gonna see if that will be enough for my body, and if so, we're gonna start the ribbing. Hello, it is currently 6:34 p.m. Okay, I've been editing all day and knitting in between, so I haven't even finished my 10 centimeter. Well, technically I have, but not the rounds that I want because I want to do 30 rounds, which is more than 10 centimeters. So I've done the 10 centimeters that I wanted to complete yesterday, and I haven't really touched on the goal that I have for today, but it doesn't matter to me because I have fully edited 3 different videos, scheduled all of them, okay, and working on a 4th one, and I'm almost done with that one. So 4 out of 7 videos edited and a little bit of progress done on the sweater, okay? Let's see, what's the centimeters? Oh, shoot, I've knitted 12 centimeters. Out of 20. So I've actually done a good bit of progress. What the heck? I didn't realize. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Okay, anyway, I'm going to eat and watch some Criminal Minds, take a break from editing. My eyeballs hurt. My brain hurts. Eating some rice and chicken my brother made. And, you know, just a little fuel so I can keep going. Because I might stay up for like 6 more hours. Who knows? I've been knitting and editing and knitting and editing. I'm on my 5th video that I'm editing. I took like a 2-hour break. I was talking and hanging out with my family. It was really fun. And I just finished the 30 rounds that I wanted to do yesterday. Wow! This is a lot of progress. What the heck? Okay, hold on. I haven't even measured this yet, so trusty dusty measuring tape. Let's see. Let's put this down here. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay. 13 centimeters. All right. Listen, I'm not that far from where I was before. So 13 centimeters. Yesterday, when I finished, I had what? 8 centimeters. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've knit 5 centimeters today. What? Yeah, because I had 8 centimeters last night, right? And I've knit 5 today. Whoa! I just have 7 more centimeters. Okay. Let's see what 7 centimeters is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. So basically 20. So on it 20 rounds because I'm supposed to have 20 and a half centimeters, and 7 more centimeters will give me 20, and like 18 rounds is 20 centimeters, so 2 more rounds would definitely get me a half a centimeter, right? 2 more rounds will give me another centimeter. So I have 20 more rounds left of the sweater. Because Kayla did her 8 inches, 20 and a half centimeters, and it was perfect length. So I know that this is going to be perfect length for me. So 20 more rounds. Stop. It's 9:47 p.m. right now. I'm still editing. I still have 2 more videos to edit. Do I need to edit it tonight? No, because I already have 4 videos scheduled for the next 4 days to post. But I kind of just want to be a week ahead, and I think since I'm still up, I might as well continue editing, you know? I'm bouncing between editing and watching Criminal Minds. When my video is done editing and it's exporting, I watch Criminal Minds, and when it's done exporting, I upload it to schedule it, and while it's uploading, I go back to watching Criminal Minds until it's finished uploading, and then I edit the next video. So I get like a little break in between. Oh my gosh, I think there's an eyelash in my eye. I get like a little break in between where I get to just watch what I want to watch while I'm knitting, and then before I go back into editing. Ooh. The fact that I got all that done today makes me very happy. I feel very productive. I edited all of my TikTok videos, so all I have to do is just post it. So great. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to editing and knitting. 20 more rounds. I think I can get 20 more rounds done today, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to get 20 more rounds done today. I'm just saying that it could potentially be possible that I can knit 20 more rounds today. That's all I'm saying. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Anyway, I need to move my stitch marker so that it's here where I just started my fresh set of 20. Alrighty, stitch marker is there. Let's get it. I'm about to go crazy right now. I'm just trying to get to round 10, okay, for the night. What happens? This is the first time this has ever happened. This has never, ever, ever happened to me before, okay? In the 3 years that I have been knitting, I have never had my cord pop off of my needle. And this needle set is already... Okay, I'm not gonna get mad. I'm not gonna get annoyed. But this needle set has already been annoying me, okay? For the past freaking year. So all these stitches dropped because this cord popped off from the needle. It's not like you can glue it either. Oh my god. I have another 32 in there, because good thing it comes with 2 32s. I do not recommend this needle set. The other good thing is it is compatible with like Knit Picks, Knit Pro, Licka, I think. So is it Licka? I don't know. This is not the time right now. It is about to be 1 a.m. Okay, it's 12:30 a.m. This is not the time to be popping up. Like, it wasn't even, the crazy thing is, it wasn't even bent or anything. So I'm just like, how did you just pop? Like, I'm just knitting, and then, boop, my stitches just fell. Dude. I love the needles. I do not recommend this at all. At all. At all. I never recommended it to begin with. But now I really don't recommend it. Are you kidding me? I have never popped any of my cables. And most of my needle sets are not swivel cables. Like, this isn't a swivel cable. Like, whatever. I need to pick up these stitches before they drop more, so I'm gonna get one of these these stitch holders. I knitted off the broken cord. You can see it here. Here's the little thing it broke off of. Okay, like, I feel like I said this already, but this needle set isn't even a regularly used needle set that I use. So for it to just pop like that, and I'm not using excessive force or anything, like, it was not loose, it was not bent, nothing, it just, whatever. Anyway, I ended up knitting 10 rounds because I needed to knit the broken cord off of my needles. So I did 9 centimeters today, I believe. I have 17 centimeters of this done. So, oh my gosh, my belly button is right here. Let me pull it up. Let's say it goes here, right? Oh, my belly button is right there. My waist is right here. I need 3 more centimeters for this body to be done before the ribbing, which means tomorrow I can definitely just finish the body in general, okay? I just love this little section. It just looks good. It just looks good. It makes the color work pop with having this stockinette section. I love it. Anyway, I just need 3 more centimeters of the body. I'm so tired. It's 1 a.m. But yeah, I just have 3 more centimeters to do before the ribbing, and then 3 inches of ribbing, which is like, what, 8 centimeters? A little less than 10 centimeters. And I feel like I can get the body done tomorrow. What's tomorrow, day 9? Alright, let's say I get the entire body done. Day 9. Okay, let's do some delusional talk. So, today's day 8. Right? Let me make sure before I start preaching. Day 8. Okay. So, today's day 8. Right. Tomorrow, or today, whatever, is day 9. I finished the body. Days 10 and 11. Yes. 10 and 11. I can do the sleeve. I mean, I could do a sleeve in a day, but let's give me 2 days, right? Days 10 and 11. Sleeve. Days 11. Can you tell I'm tired? Okay, 10 and 11, 1 sleeve. 12, 13, 2nd sleeve. Finish the sweater in less than 2 weeks. Huh? Finishing this sweater faster than my Amy sweater, plain stockinette, and finishing a color work charted oversized sweater in less than 2 weeks. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see. Tomorrow, if tomorrow goes my way, tomorrow will go my way. I will finish the body tomorrow. Okay? That's my goal. My goal right now, go to sleep. Okay? Good night.